this is Tabitha with the Growth Mastermind Group, and we would like to invite you to join our community membership. We are a group of entrepreneurs whose mission, vision, and purpose is to encourage other entrepreneurs just like you to discover, fulfill, and unleash their full potential.
And hi, this is Claudio Peter, and I'm also part of the Growth Mastermind Group, and I would just like to mention a few of the benefits of joining our amazing community. And some of these benefits are like video business card that they're going to actually create as an NFT that you can share with others. As well is going to be access to the video education, access to the community meetings, access to different entrepreneurs that are going to be in a related field with you, that they're going to help you towards your growth. So if you like the sound of this and you want to find more information about the group, we're going to be more than happy to have a one-on-one call discovery with you. And just click the link below, and we're going to have an onboarding session that we can learn about each other and see how you can be part of this amazing community. Thank you very much, and looking forward to work together.